Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel At Home with Morgan. Today I'm doing a shop with me at Target and HomeGoods and a little bit of a bonus messy house clean with me. Just a couple areas in the house that I have to clean all the time, which is the living room and the kitchen and the dishes, of course. So if you need all of the springtime decor inspiration and messy house cleaning motivation, then just stay tuned. All right guys, so I'm starting out today at HomeGoods. I just wanted to give you guys a really good idea of what's in stock at HomeGoods. Now, obviously this is my local HomeGoods, but I found out that Tuesdays and Wednesdays are a really great day to go to HomeGoods. So if you are looking for some of these finds, then I would say head over to your HomeGoods on Tuesday or Wednesday. Don't wait until the weekend because then everything is going to be gone. But they had so many boho vibe decor pieces there, which I was so excited about because I found that last year it was really hard to find more boho farmhouse pieces, but this spring they are killing it. I'm loving these woven rattan plate chargers. They're so cute. And of course I had to sneak in a couple of low carb, sugar-free finds in the food section. This is one of my favorite places to get stuff for all of my coffee things, all the iced coffee stuff. My favorite is actually the salted caramel in the sugar-free. Also, if you guys do not follow me on TikTok, I do have a ton of my keto weight loss stuff over there, and I share a ton of recipes with my Baby Dash, and I found this little mini waffle maker, which is the Baby Dash with a pineapple on it, which I thought was so cute. And then also I found this egg bite maker, which I did end up grabbing because I thought it was such a good deal. It's $14.99. These are actually on Amazon for about $30. So it was like half price at HomeGoods, and I swear they taste just like the Starbucks egg bites. So good. I also like to grab my crystals from HomeGoods and their agates. I think that they are so beautiful. We also have a crystal store in town, and I really feel like it adds so much to the boho vibe in the house, and it adds to the positive energy in the house. I'm such a hippie mama. But here they have tons of really cool planters. They completely restocked everything from the last time I was there, and I love the like color scheme that's going on, all of the natural colors, the terracotta with the baskets. Now moving into Target, sharing one of my favorite Target dollar spot finds, which is those baskets. They're so cute. Here are my sunglasses that I wear all the time. I love these outdoor chairs. They are very similar in quality to the chairs I have in my dining room, which people ask me about all the time. Very similar material, a little bit different of a style, but my chairs have been sold out for so long. They came in stock for like 2 weeks and then they sold out again. These chairs are very similar, so run to Target. They're like $80 a piece, and I swear you guys, they're good for indoor, outdoor use, and they are kid resistant. I love them. Next up on my list to get is this big, it's not like the egg chair, but it's very similar. I wanna go for like this really cute, airy boho vibe outside on the patio and the deck when we finally get those finished this summer. So I'm just getting some ideas. And I also found some really cute comforters and throw pillows. Like I said, everybody's really hitting it out of the park with the boho vibe decor pieces this year. I am loving everything, especially the baskets. I don't know why, but I have this weird obsession with baskets. I feel like I can never get enough. And I also liked this leather magazine holder. I thought it was very edgy and super cute. And definitely something that I would stick in my living room. I just need to get it under control first with the built-ins and potentially fireplace before I get anything else to go in there. But anyways, those were the boho finds that I found at Target and HomeGoods this week. Run over, get your boho farmhouse vibe, feeling decor pieces, and cheers to spring decorating, getting those patios, those porches, those decks decorated for cozy summer nights, hanging around a bonfire or a bonfire table, wherever it may be, sipping on a drink or some juice or whatever it is. think of all of those beautiful summer sunsets and your beautiful outdoor spaces. I am so excited. I can hardly wait to get started on our own stuff. But anyways, hopping into the messy house part of this video, you guys know that I share a lot of real mom life cleaning here on my channel and over on my personal channel. I will leave it linked up here for you guys. I have had a lot of people actually reaching out to me in regards to watching my videos on their TV. They can't get to my personal channel, so I'm gonna link it up here for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if this link up here helps you get over to my personal channel. Anyways, so here's a little clip of Mike coming home. He always comes in the middle of like me filming and he's like, he doesn't realize I'm filming. It's funny. Anyway, I don't even know where to start with this living room if I'm being completely honest. This is what my living room looks like the next day after cleaning it, maybe a couple days after. I cannot keep up with it. I feel like the kids just dump and go, and I try so hard to keep these toys organized so that they can find their toys. Ryker's a little bit too young to be organizing out the toys, but I have been teaching this to Kaya. Again, this area is all very temporary. We are planning on putting the built-in cabinets on either side of this media wall, and for like the third time, we will be redoing the shiplap on this media wall because we've decided we want to do some sort of fireplace, which I plan to share the process here with you guys, and of course the DIY over on the M&M Rustics channel, which is our channel for our side business, and we share just some like tips and tricks and woodworking things, home renovation tips, all of the things. We're over on Pinterest. We have a blog. If you guys want to check all of that stuff out, it is linked in the description box for you. But anyways, we have all the projects planned for this area, and I know that it will get so much better once we have those cabinets in and we have the baskets in there to keep everything hidden and put away and well organized. But for now, I am stuck with this organization system, which does work, you guys. It's just not as pretty, but that's okay. I got all of the Sterilite bins from Target. I think the smaller ones were like $1.99 each, and that 3-tiered one was probably a Room Essentials brand, and I got it for like $12.99. It does come with like the wheel rollers on the bottom. I took those off because my kids did not need to be rolling this like massive toy bin around, but that is what I'm doing here. Is I'm just thoroughly going through all of the toys. I'm throwing away the broken ones, and I am choosing which ones I'm going to donate, etc. It is a massive mess, but if you guys can relate to it, leave it in the comments down below. I feel like this is just the reality of having kids, and the reality of having kids that really truly enjoy their toys, or maybe, I don't know. Do they enjoy them? I'm not sure. They just dump them out and then they walk away. So, but this is what it is. Real mom life right here. Again, if you guys are new here, my name is Morgan, and I started YouTube a couple of years ago. I have my personal channel that I talk about a lot. That's just my day in the life stuff, my mommy vlogs, the baby stuff, etc. And here I focus on my home decor, my cleaning, all the homemaking things to keep you guys motivated in real life, whether you are a mom or a woman or a man, whatever it may be. If you are the homemaker of the home, I hope that this content inspires you and motivates you and keeps you going on those days where you just don't feel like going anymore. Alrighty, anyway, I am going to let you guys enjoy the organization mess, and I will pop back in just a minute. That clip of Riker is so funny and it's so true. I had a message come in the other day and somebody asked me how I clean and when I clean with having a 2-year-old in the house. And to be honest with you, a lot of times I try to clean as much as possible when he's napping, but he's not been napping lately. So it's been kind of difficult. And yes, he definitely is destroying as I'm going, as you guys saw. And that was just like the most like minimal mess ever. But usually it's like an entire toy bin dumped out 30 seconds after we've put it away. It is a constant struggle. My house is not always clean. I try to keep it as tidy as possible, working on those organization systems because I feel like those are definitely what keeps the mess at bay. But anyways, all right guys, that is gonna wrap it up from me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this messy house clean with me and my shop with me for spring boho farmhouse decor. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in a couple of days for another really fun video, okay? Bye guys.